Hi Magical Muffins! Today we're going to be playing Bloxburg again. But today we are going to do a house tour. Ooh, we just got this for day 5, I think. Okay, so let's be an adult and get rid of my flies and get some energy up before we start. So let's just get this moving. Hold on. Alright. Alright, sorry. So we're just going up to here. And I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll get back to y'all when I'm done with getting my moods up. Okay, now I am done with getting my moods up. Well, I need to sleep, so hold on. Let's go here. And we're gonna go here. And now we're gonna sleep for a little bit and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done sleep. Hey guys! We are done sleeping, so now let's get downstairs. So ready? 3, hold on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, there we go. Bruh. Black bruh. Alright. Let's go.
Yes.
Now let's go downstairs.
Me. I died on the inside.
I know you guys see my outside of my house a lot, but let's get this started. So we're gonna zoom all the way in. So, alright, this is the outside trash can where I belong. Alright, let's move forwards slowly. We have this very... Oh no, my plants died. Okay, hold on. Oh no. We got a tree, an awesome tree. We have this bench here. And we have a plant. Awesome, Mr. Plant. And then open the gate. Close the gate. Look at this awesomeness here. Look at that. Wow. This is awesome. Could watch these 9 hours a day. Alright. We go in. The door is brown. Here is the carpet. Walk. And then you turn left. You see some leftover cookies from 8 weeks ago. This is the kitchen. We got some things here that we can't even click. Oh my god, we should pick this and put it in my baby bottle collection. Look at this. Oh my god, let me open that. Look at that! Oh my god. Where should I put it? I'm gonna put it there. Okay, beautiful. And then we go here. It's just a bathtub in here because I was role playing and then I need a bathtub because I had a baby. We close here. We go down this hallway here, down to the laundry room. We have some laundry. And this, I was about to call this a dishwasher, y'all. This is a washing machine and a dryer. I don't know if that's a dryer or a washing machine. That looks like a washing machine. And then we have this cute little sink with the towel and some a cactus. Oh my god, look at that. That's awesome. We have this beautiful plant here. Okay, let's move on. What is that, honey? Alright, move on here. Moving on. Close the door. I need to color my house, but that's okay. We go here. This is the baby room. I'll show you a tutorial on how to do the baby room if y'all want. It's not very much. It costed so much money though. Not gonna lie. Close that. Now, in here we got the teen room, bathroom. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Wow. It's just there for a second, the other second it's gone. Wow. Close this here. So my teenager uses makeup a lot. So that we got her so much makeup. Wow! More awesomeness! We got this awesome hole in the floor that I haven't fixed. We have this awesome shelf here. More awesomeness! Oh my god, I forgot to turn these on. Turn on! Turn on. Alright, whatever. That's that. I'm gonna show you guys the kid room. This is my bathroom. I think you guys have seen this. We have a counter. It's not done. My house is not done at all. So we got some awesome floors here that are random colors. Alright, so let me just close this so I can look more aesthetic, like those professionals there are. And then there's just me with like 2 followers. Alright. What the heck? There's somebody in my house. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. What the heck? That was so weird. I'm trying to record here and this person's breaking into my house. Okay. Anyway. On with the video. I'm choking on words. Close, you stupid door. Close. Alright, we showed you the kitchen, showed you that little bathtub room. Okay, we're about to do the kid room, I think. And then that creepy old baby just came. Cause I heard crying, I'm like, what? Alright, so, what is this, honey? We got some LED lights. Oh, we got more awesomeness. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. And then, oh my god, I have to make her bed. Okay. Sleep. No! Make bed. I'll make a, skit later. Alright. It's supposed to look like the unicorn is floating on her bed. So, yeah. Now, the closet. I'll show you how to make a closet in a future video. But, yeah. Now we gotta go to my room. Close the door. Oopsie. Alright. And then we're gonna go to the supermarket and get 18 beans. Comment how many beans I should get, and I'll get that much. Even if it costs all my money. I get it. Where am I going? Alright. Baby room. Alright. in here we have my room. We got an apple. I was role playing, and then my literal baby got me this, and then she climbed up here and got her coloring book. She climbed on my legs. Here is an awesome bookshelf full of stuff. I need to change the picture of that. Yeah. That's my room. Have I showed you all of this? I think so. Well, that's all. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment answering my questions of what I should do. Bye, guys! I love you all. My magical muffins. Bye! Okay. Now we're back.